Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that surrounds us every single day, often without us even noticing: electronics. Think for a moment, how many electronic devices have you already used today? Probably more than you realize. Your smartphone, your alarm clock, the TV, the fridge, maybe even your car. Electronics have become such a natural part of life that we sometimes forget how revolutionary they really are. Electronics is not just about wires, chips, and circuits. At its core, it's the science of controlling the flow of tiny particles called electrons. By guiding them through circuits, we can process information, power machines, and even create intelligence. That simple idea is the foundation of our modern world. Let's take a quick journey through time. The first major breakthrough came with the invention of the vacuum tube in the early 20th century. These bulky glass tubes made radios and the very first computers possible. But they were huge, fragile, and consumed a lot of energy. Then, in 1947, everything changed with the invention of the transistor. It was small, efficient, and reliable. This one invention is often considered the spark that ignited the modern electronics revolution. From transistors, we moved to integrated circuits, tiny chips that could hold thousands, and eventually millions, of transistors packed together. These chips gave birth to computers that could fit on a desk, and later, in the palm of your hand. Without them, there would be no smartphones, no laptops, no internet. But electronics doesn't stop at gadgets. It powers medicine, too. Think about MRI machines, pacemakers, and surgical robots. All of them are possible thanks to electronic systems. In transportation, electronics control navigation, safety systems, and even electric vehicles. In space exploration, every satellite and spacecraft relies on sophisticated electronics to function far beyond Earth. And what about entertainment? Music players, game consoles, streaming platforms, all of it is built on layers and layers of electronic technology. Even the camera recording this video right now is essentially a masterpiece of electronics. Now let's look forward. Where is electronics heading? One big trend is miniaturization, making devices smaller, faster, and more efficient. Another is artificial intelligence, where electronic systems don't just process information, but actually learn and make decisions. We're also seeing a rise in wearable electronics, from smartwatches that track your health, to smart glasses that could one day project information directly into your vision. There's also the exciting field of quantum electronics. While